bubbles do pretty good. I was afraid they might not be very good, you know? But they were good.
Yeah, they worked great.
I want to get some more of those. Too bad Dennis doesn't know how to get to her.
No, I don't know.
Dennis, help her.
No?
Yeah, here. You're not lost. Yeah, aquí. Yay. Córrese, sí, córrese. Es lo que le toca a su esposo.
Just in another area. They need this one family over here, and then when they see the band coming, they see some more kids, they hand out more things. So there's bags of food in here, rice, beans, pasta, just different things. And these bags, brought the bags. My sister-in-law brought the bags from California. They're Trader Joe bags, and these go well over here because people like those bags. Yeah. Hi. You don't have to have a foundation or anything to start. Do something on your own if you want. Just bring some stuff with you on your trip and come out, hand out some stuff for people. Make a difference.
Vale doblete. La cola, ¿va? Aquí solo una cola.
No hay cambio, solo es el mismo. Mommy, here's littler. But small. But they're for the girls. They're all girls. Okay, a ustedes, adiós.
¿Uno más?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ya no alcanzó, hija. Mañana, después voy a llegar tarde porque se las vamos a llevar a las Okay, we gotta go to the other one. Okay.
Well, I guess we're off to the next stop. Now, they know a family here where their place got burned a little bit. And so we're stopping off here to give them some food, some toys. And these kids have to go to school and they say they have to walk to school. I have no idea how far the school is from here. You thought you had it bad. Be thankful. I'm just thankful for, what I have now. I always was before, but do something like this and it just magnifies it. Oh, nice little garden we got.
Beautiful. And then she said that she's doing it because she likes it.
Sí me gusta.
I know. Acá ponte acá para tomarte.
Hi, Peppy. Oh. Hello, little pup. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Yeah. It's all right. Well, she's got some girls, 12, 10, and 8. So they're trying to find some stuff in there for the girls. Hey, little puppy. Hi. 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 Yeah. Oh. Yeah. How are you? Oh, we're here the end of May. Good time to come to Cabo. May, February, October, before it gets really hot. But anytime you get a chance to come out here to help somebody, do it.
Oh my God. She's so
Very
happy.
good.
Ahorita.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they don't talk
Yeah,
each other.
baby.
Oh, we'll go that way in a minute.
In a minute, yes. Because these two families don't talk each other.
Okay. And here's some
Oh.
Oh, she's so glad.
Wow.
Oh,
No,
yes.
no, no.
No.
Wow.
Nice.
She's so happy.
Here's the top.
Because we have
Oh.
more children
Ya
in
no-
the
ya
other
no.
house, okay?
Oh, okay.
No, ya tuvo
But
todo.
for the girls that are
Yes.
they're not coming.
Yes, they
Or
are.
they are coming.
Yeah, they are, and we are we're gonna walk in the other house in a minute.
Or
Wow!
Woo!
okay.
Le habíamos de dar unas bombas a él también.
Sí. Super happy.
Just
I
now.
love it.
She wasn't sure what that bottle was, huh?
Yeah. She's
Now
just
she woke up.
smiling. Now she woke up. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go. The other are coming.
Oh, here
my
they
God.
come. Here comes
These
some more.
three
Reunion.
girls. These three girls asked me to go to school because she cannot go because the mother doesn't have a finger because she has been tortured.
Are they the ones that say they were bored?
Yeah, these three. So, hola, amiga, saluden, saluden. Oh, she's gonna come to me. Oh, yeah. Saluden a los demás. por favor.
Ah.
Hola.
Acá, acá.
A todos, por favor. Sí, a todos. Oh, I'm so proud of these girls because they want to go
Hola.
in the life. They want to study. They want to read. Because
Ooh.
they speak the Mexican language.
Hola.
Dialect. Let me talk. Chicas, háblenme en su lengua, por favor. En náhuatl. Háblame algo en cora.
Reina pena.
Otra cosa.
Mucho, dinos muchas cosas. Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Reina pena
Yo me llamo.
es igual.
She's speaking this dialect, so they were bored, and they said, I want to read. So we helped them to go to school.
Oh, good.
Michelle.
Ok, chicas, les trajeron un regalo. ¿Listas?
Alguien me
Vengan acá.
encargó algo una vez que vine.
Laura brought her backpack.
Nice.
Escojan ahorita.
Backpack.
Después ustedes
Yay.
también. ¿Qué se dice?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ahora sí ya no hay excusa para no
Bravo, póngaselas.
Y ahí pueden guardar las
Laura Koch, de Diaspora. Oh, mucho gusto. Le vamos a dar una despensa.
Can I,
Ahí pueden guardar. Traen libros, algunos
let's get a photo.
Que si Diana, Michelle, María. Ya pues, yo porque yo con
Dile todavía otra vez. Para que te escuchen.
Cana, mi amor, este. Diles, a ellos les gusta, para que traigan más regalos.
Look, Nina, over here.
No, pero en Cora.
En Cora.
Y después te muestro de igual.
Bye bye.